Good morning, my dear children. Hope you all are keeping well. I'm Roseline, ma'am. And dear children, so far in addition, we have been learning different ways of adding together. So today, we would explore learning three-digit numbers. So let's learn together. Dear children, as we always start learning by counting quantities, so you all know that individual blocks are called ones, stacks of 10 blocks are called tens, each layer with 10 rows of blocks, we can say that each layer has 100 blocks, and when each layer of 100 block is further multiplied by 10, it gives us thousands. So my dear children, some important things to remember are that count up each placed value individually, add the placed values together, and each digit in a number has a title depending on where it is positioned. So dear children, let's do some visual examples. So what number is shown by the place value blocks? We can see 7 layers of 100 blocks, which makes 700. Then 2 stacks of 10 blocks, which makes it 20. And 4 individual blocks in ones place. So 700 plus 20 plus 4 is equals to 724. Now let's see one more example. Children, here we have how many layers of 100? 3 layers of 100. So it makes 300. And we have 6 rods which represent 6 tens, which makes 60. And there is nothing in ones place. So we will write it as 300 plus 60 is equals to 360. Very good. Dear children, can you do this example for me? Let's do it together. So how many layers of 100 we have? 200. Correct. And how many stacks of 10 we have? 5 stacks of 10, which makes 50. And how many individual blocks we have? 9. Very good. So children, when we add 200 plus 50 plus 9, it gives the number 259. So you have learned it very well. Dear children, let's identify the number of hundreds, tens and ones in a three-digit number. So what is the number that is shown now? You can see a three-digit number 643. So 6 is in the hundreds place, 4 is in the tens place, 3 is in the ones place. So let's see some examples by splitting the numbers. So children, let's do some quick examples. Split and write into hundreds, tens and ones. So if there is a number given 247, how are we going to split it? So how many stacks or layers of 100 we have? 2 layers of 100, which makes it 200. Plus how many stacks of 10 we have? 4. So 4 stacks of 10 makes it 40. And how many separate blocks we have if we count them? 7. So together if we add them, they make 247. Let's see one more example. So how many layer of 100 we have? Just one layer, which means 100. And how many stacks of 10 we have? 6 stacks of 10, which means 60. And in ones place, there is nothing. So 100 plus 60 makes it 160. Let's see the final example. So children, here is a 3-digit number. Can you read out what's the number? 470. Good. So if we split 470, 4 is in the 100 place. So the number would be 400. 7 is in the tens place. So it would become 70. And 0 is in the ones place. So it would be 0. And let's see the next number. 304. So 300 is in hundreds place. So we will write it as 300. And 0 is in tens place. So we will write 0 in tens place. And in ones place we have 4. Very good. So children, like this, you will split and write the numbers in the worksheet. Dear parents, there is a small activity for this learning. As earlier, children had learnt placed value. So you already have stacks of 10, 100 and blocks of single digits. So you can put these blocks of single digit stacks of 10 and 100 layers in front of them and make 3-digit numbers. So you can take 6 or 7 3-digit numbers, place them in front of them and ask the children to arrange the numbers and match them with the quantities. Once they do it, you can also make a small video and post it.